Hello, my name is Richard Shuker, and today I'll be introducing you to our new series of tips from TMB. With this series, we're going to be sharing some useful information for end users, help make your life a bit easier when using your IT systems. Today I want to show you a feature that not many people know about, but it can be a real lifesaver when you need to get some of your files back in an emergency. If you see on the screen here, I have a folder called Important Business Documents, and if we go into that folder here, I have an important Word document. Now, if I accidentally delete that document and I need to get that document back, then I would have to call the IT department and ask them to restore it for me. But actually there is another option for users to actually get their own document back. So if I come back to the folder above that contained the document, and I right click on that folder and choose Properties, then I'll actually see a tab here that's called the Previous Versions. And if I click on Previous Versions, I can actually see that the backups that have been made on the Windows server that are called shadow copies that are available to me. So I can choose which shadow copy I want. I'll choose the most recent one here from 12 o'clock today, and I'll click Restore. So here we go. Do I want to restore this folder? Cannot be undone. Click Restore. And now that folder has been restored, so I can now click OK here. And now my document is back. I'm able to open it up. And I'm able to carry on working. Okay, so let's close that down now. Now, if you just delete one document and you don't want to restore the entire folder, you can just click into the Properties, go to Previous Versions, and you can choose to open the previous version, and then that will show you that folder at that point in time. Now if there's more than one document in here, I can just choose the one that I want. I can click Copy, and I can then go to the folder that contains the document. I can even delete that document again, and again paste that document back in straight from the shadow copy, so I don't need to call the IT team. I hope that's been useful for you today. We'll be looking to provide more tips into the future to help people, and if you give this a try on your server and you find that you're not able to access a previous version, then please get in contact with TMB and we can switch this feature on for you on your servers so it is available to you. I hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.